Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you an online code editor which can be used for taking interviews, programming interviews. This is a code editor that I am talking about. You can see that you can make a video call since two people will be involved. You can involve multiple people, you can invite multiple people like this. This is a interview, you can see that, and here you can write your code. There are many languages which are supported by this editor. You can write plain text or you can write more programming languages: C hash, C++, Clojure, Java, Kotlin, and also HTML, React, Express, Angular, all that stuff. And let me just show you first of all this editor, which is Code Interview. So basically, let me just go to Google. So if you just go to Google and type here Code Interview, the very first result which comes in, you need to click on this result. So this is a website codeinterview.io. So this is an online code editor for making programming interviews. So you can see that pair programming for interviews. So basically this is not a free website, but you can take a free trial. The pricing is pretty simple. You can see that these are some of the plans out there. You can have this free plan, but you can only have 5 interviews, 3 user accounts, and the chat and the email support is there. You can have a pro plan, which is $55 per month. In that, you can have 20 interviews per month. So now I will want to show you the trial. So just click on the start trial button. So I think that you need to create an account, but we will be trying the demo. So here first of all it will ask for the name of your you can see that this is a trial shell here. My name is there, you can see that Gautam, and basically this is a template. Here you can change the template according to your choice. Let's suppose I choose Angular here, then click the button. So now it will load the Angular template. So accordingly you can change any programming language to any programming interview that you are receiving or taking. So now the real part comes is that how to invite people inside this editor. So it is very simple. You will see some options here, right here at the top. You need to make a call here. So click on the option make a call, and first of all you need to allow some of the permissions out there. You need to allow the video call to be happening. You need to allow microphone and camera permission, and then you can click on the start call button. So this will be your face will be visible on the screen. You can see that as you type. And now in order to share this, it is very simple. You can share this with anyone like this. Copy the link here. You just want to share it. And if anyone just open this link of yours, they will also be automatically be joined here. So if you open this, you will see it is saying to me that there is one other participants in the call, so you can join it whenever you are ready. So if I click the join call button, now you will see that as soon as I click the join button, two persons will be joined. This is me, the previous one, and now this is me. So you can replace it with your face, but just for testing purposes I am just using my face for two persons. So you can even have 3 persons as well. So if you just copy it and once again open this link inside the browser window, you can have 3 persons. If you want to um, join multiple persons, more than two, so in that case it will say to you there are two participants. So if you want to join it, you can join it. So it is just loading, so just wait. So the idea is pretty simple. You can any You can end the call as well at any point of time by clicking this red button, which is end call. So again, you can join it like this. and now you will see that three persons will be there inside the interview. So with the help of this editor, you can have more than 2 3 persons take the interview at the same time. And on the right hand side, you can see the result as well. You can run your code as well. So let me just change the template pretty quickly to, let's suppose, only HTML. This is basic HTML. If you want to use any kind of database, it is also supported here. In the beta version, you can see that MySQL database is also supported. You need to check. This is there inside the beta version. So here you can write your code. You can even save your code as well. So just wait, it is saving the code. Basically, it is taking some time here because the website, this is just a problem with the website, because this is a heavy website. This involves multiple people streaming their web camera, so that is why it is taking too much time. So here, if I change this text to this one, so instantly this will change on the right hand side. You can see that. So this was the editor, guys, that codeinterview.io, the code interview editor. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.